Hello students, how are you? You are all fine and safe at home, I think so. And this is Aruna, your maths teacher from Badasam Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. And first we are going to see about numbers. Before going to numbers, we are going to see the history of numbers. See, millions years of ago, men lived in jungles. His needs were limited and he ate plants and animals. Slowly, living together, they started a group. Then he started accumulating and for himself and storing for his future. So he started count of them. Here counting starts. So initially they start from fingers to count like 1, 2, 3. More than 10 of course, they started to take the strokes of vertical strokes. So in vertical strokes, they used the line, vertical line for 1 and 2, 3 and etc. Next to vertical strokes, they started to use horizontal strokes, which is like 1, 2, 3 and etc. Next to horizontal strokes, dots and combination of dots and lines like 1 and 2, 3, 4 and etc. After this, they have started the strokes of numbers like in Brahmic and Hindu, next to Indo Arabic and medieval. Finally, they finalized the number strokes in modern numbers. The modern numbers are nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, these modern numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numbers. First, the counting numbers have started and then in that vertical and horizontal, then dots and combination of dots and lines we have seen, and then the Brahmic. See how the number strokes they have given for 0 to 9 in this. Then next to this Hindu. In Hindu the number strokes are from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, and then in Arabic numbers in Arabic are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9 is given, and then for medieval the numbers they have given like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. Next to the medieval only the modern numbers are created. The numbers are from 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9, which we are using in our day to day life. This numbers is the mathematical object which is used to count, measure and label. See, to count money, and to count when we are counting money also we are using numbers, right? And then next, how many children are there in our class, we will use to count how many of them are present today and how many pens I have in my box. So for counting purpose we are using numbers. And then to measure each and every object, like what is the measurement of the pen, what is the measurement of the pencil, or what is the measurement of the eraser. To measure this too, we are writing in numbers 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter. To measure the height of a person, everything we are using in numbers. To label, so count, to measure and label. We can see the clock with numbers. In calendar also we can use the numbers to write date, time, each and every places in our life we are using this numbers. So numbers is nothing but the mathematical object used to count, measure and to label. So this counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. They are denoted by capital N. Capital N is nothing but the first letter of the natural number. See, the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 till infinite. The smallest natural number is 1 and we can't find the greatest natural number because which is uncountable. So if 0 is included in this, 0 along with the natural numbers are called whole numbers, right? Whole number, what is the starting letter of the whole number? W na. So here it is denoted by capital W. So W is nothing but 0. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, where whole number also uncountable. What is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number is 0 and 1, 2. Can we find the greatest whole number? No, it is infinite. So, we can't find the greatest whole number, right? So, next to natural and whole numbers, using this we are going to see our topic knowing our numbers, the first chapter here. See, first using numbers, we used 1, 2, 3 up to 9 na. So, this 1, 2, 3 till 9 are called one digit numbers. Only one number which is placed is called one digit number. So, the smallest one digit number is 1. What is the greatest one digit number? The greatest one digit number is 9. So, next to 9 the number starts from 10. So, 10, 11, 12 up to 99 are called two digit numbers. So, here two digits are placed now, ones and tens place were given in this. So, 10, 11, 12 up to 99 are called two digit numbers. The smallest two digit number is 10 and the greatest two digit number is 99. Next to 99, 100. See how many digits are given in this 100? Ones, tens and 100. How many digits? 3 digits are there na? So, 100, 101 up to 999 are called 3 digit numbers. So, in this what is the smallest 3 digit number? Yes, Vignesh, what is the smallest 3 digit number? So, it is 100. What is the greatest 3 digit number? It is 999. Next to 999, the number is 1000. How many digits are there in this 1000? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. How many digits is given? Yes, 4 digits are given in this. So, 1000, 1001 and up to 9999. So, these numbers are called 4 digit numbers. The smallest 4 digit number is 1000. What is the greatest 4 digit number, Darshini? So, the greatest 4 digit number is 9999. Using this numbers only, we are going to see our place value chart and how to read and write in words, right? Before going to see that, first we need to know the place value chart, where we want to place the commas in the respective periods. Then it will be easy for us to read or to write the numbers, okay? So, the periods which is given here is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores. See, in ones period there will be 3 digits. First digit, rightmost place we are going to start the numbers to count first, which is ones, tens and hundreds. In ones period, how many digits are given? 3 digits, right? Ones, tens and 100. Here, after this we are going to place the comma. After ones, tens, 100, we are going to place comma here. Then thousands period starts. Thousands period, in thousands period 2 digits are given here. So, to write this 2 digits, 1000 and 10,000. Next to 10,000, you want to place the comma here. So, next to thousands it is lakhs period. In lakhs period also 2 digits are given, which is lakh and 10 lakhs. So, next to lakhs period again place the comma here. So, next to lakhs period, what is the period is given here? It is crores. See, in crores, crore, 10 crore. Next to 10 crore, it is 100 crore. This 100 crore which we are using in our life, but which is equal to 1 Arab. So, 100 crore is equal to 1 Arab. Next to 100 crore, it is 1000 crore. 1000 crore which is equal to 10 Arab. See, in our life we are using crore, 10 crore, 100 crore and 1000 crores. But 100 crore is equal to 1 Arab and 1000 crore is equal to 10 Arab. See, for example, here the numbers they have given 7, 4, 7. This is ones, tens and 100 and place a comma, and then 1000, 10,000 place a comma, lakh, 10 lakh place a comma, crore, this is 10 crore. See, the number is 52105747. By saying this number, we can't able to read fastly first. So, we are going to place the commas in the respective places. Now, it will be easy for us to read. See, because 5 is placed in the place of crore. So, 5 crore and then 2 1 is called as 21. 21 which is placed in the lakhs place. So 21 lakh, then 0 5. See, if the number 0 is placed in front of the number 5, then it is called 0 5 as 5. If it is written as 50, we will read as 50, right? So 0 5 is 5 which is placed in the period of thousands. So it is written as 5000, and then 747. 747, the 3 digit number, how we will read? 7 is in the place of 100. So 747, right? So 5 crore 21 lakh 5747. Next to Indian place value chart, we are going to see how many zeros we are going to put in the each place values. See, first ones place. In ones place only one digit will be there, and in tens place, if 1 0 is included, it is tens place. Then in hundreds 2 zeros. In for thousands 3 zeros. When 3 zeros are included, it is 1000. And then for 10,000 for 4 zeros, and then lakhs. So how many zeros for lakhs? In the sense 5 zeros. And then 10 lakh. For 10 lakh 6 zeros. And crore. For 1 crore, it is, see, in 1 crore it is 7 zeros. How many zeros in 1 crore? In the sense 7 zeros. And then 10 crore 8 zeros. And Arab. Arab, I told you, what is the Arabs? So this Arab is equal to what? 100 crore. 100 crore only is equal to 1 Arab. So the next we are going to see is how to write the given number in words. See this number 635402. How we can read this number or to write in words? Before that, first we should place the commas in the respective places. See, the first 3 digits of this number is ones period, that is ones, tens and 100. After 200s, place a comma. Next to hundreds, it is 1000 and 10,000. In thousands places 2 digits over there. Next to thousands, place a comma 6 where it is in the lakhs place. So how we will read this number? In the sense 6,35,402, right? So first we are going to write the spelling for 6 lakh, and in thousands place 3 and 5 is 35. So 35,000, THOUSAND, 35,402. We used to read 402 as 402, right? So 400, HUNDRED, 402. Is it clear? So 6,35,402. 83 is 83. So 83 is 83 in the place of lakhs. So we are going to write 83, EIGHTY, 83, THREE, 3, lakh, LAKH. So 83 lakh, and 21 is 21, which is in the place of 1000. So we are going to write 21, TWENTY, 21, ONE, 121, 1000, THOUSAND, 21,000, right? Next to this 564, which we will read as 564. So 5, FIVE, 500, HUNDRED, 564, 60, SIXTY, 64, FOUR, 4. So 83 lakh 21,564. Next we are going to see write in numbers. See the words they have given. We are going to frame this in numerical number, right? So 8 lakh 43,725. So in lakhs place 8 lakh is given now. So we are going to write 8 lakh. After lakh we are going to place a comma. Then 43,000. So 43 can be written in the form of 43. 43,000's place have completed. So place a comma. Then 725. 725. 725 will be read as 725. So the answer is 8,43,725 is 8 comma 43 comma 725, right? The next is 94,03,689. See here 94 lakh. In lakhs place we are going to place 94. So 94 lakhs. After lakhs we want to place a comma. Then 3,000. In the place of thousands, I told you 2 digits should be there, right? But here they have given a 1 digit number which is 3. If we are going to write only 3, it is not 3,000, right? So if we place 0 in front of 3, that is left side of the number, it will be 03. 03 will be read as 3 only. If you write 30, that is right side of the number, if you put 0, 30 will become as 30,000, right? So we are going to place the 0 in front of the number, that is 03, that is 3,000. So place a comma, then 689. So 689 in the sense hundreds place is 6 and 89 is 89. Is it clear? So 94 lakh 3,689. So 94 comma 03 is 3,000 comma 689. Next we are going to see the expanded form. So how to expand the given number 453169. First we will place the place value of the respective places. First 9 is in which place? Ones. Then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then lakh. See, expand this number first in ones place, which is here 9 is 9, and then in tens place 6 into 10 gives 60, and in 100 place the value is 1. So 1 into 100 is 100, and in 1000 3. So 3 into 1000 is 3000, and then in tens place 5 is there. So 5 into 10,000. For 10,000 how many zeros I have told you? Right, 4 zeros. So 5 into 10,000 is 50,000. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there in 10,000. So 5 into 10,000 given 50,000 the value. The next is 4. 4 is in the place of lakh. How many zeros for lakhs place I told you? 5 zeros. So 4 into lakh, which gives 4 lakh. See 1, 2, 3, place a comma, and then 2 places for 1000 and place a comma. Now 4 lakh. Right. So this is the expanded form of the number. So we can write 4 lakh plus 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 9 is the answer for the expanded form of this. So we are going to expand this number. Before going to that, we will place the commas. Ones, tens, 100, place a comma, then 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh and 10 lakh. We are going to expand this. 8 is in the 10 lakhs place. Here it is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. This is 10,000, lakh, and this is 10 lakh. So for 10 lakh, how many zeros I told you? 6 zeros, right? Very good. So I am going to expand this as 8 into 6 zeros, because 8 is in the place of 10 lakhs, right? Plus the next 4 is in the place of lakhs, right? So 4 into, for lakhs 5 zeros, so into 5 zeros, plus the next 6 is in the place of 10,000. So 6 into, for 10,000 place 4 zeros, plus the next value is 3. So 3 into 1000, for 1000 it is 3 zeros, plus 2 into 100, for 100 it is 2 zeros, plus 90, that is 9 into 10, plus 7 into 1's place is 1, right? So if you multiply this, we will get the answer as 80,000 plus 4 into 1 lakh is 4 lakh, plus 6 into 10,000 is 60,000, plus 3 into 1000 is 3,000, plus 2 into 100 is 200, plus 9 into 10 is 90, plus 7 into 7 ones are is 7. Is it clear how to expand the number? Using the place values, we are going to write the expanded value. Next, we are going to see how to make a short form, right? So, the question will be in expanded form. See, 90 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 9. So, the expanded form they have given, we are going to change into the short form that we are going to make into the numbers, right? So, before writing the answer, first we are going to check all the place values from the right side of the number, that is from ones place. So, the single digit number is in the ones place 9, in tens place there should be 10, hundreds place 2 zeros, next to hundreds thousands consists 3 zeros, next 4 zeros, 10,000s place, lakh 5 zeros, and then 10 lakh is 6 zeros. So, from 1s to till 10 lakhs place, all the place value is given in this question. So, we are going to write 90 lakh plus 8 lakh is 98 lakh. So, 98 lakh, comma, after lakhs place, place a comma, and then 50,000. So, in 10,000s place, 50,005 and thousands place is 4,000. So, 4, comma, 329. So, in hundreds place 3 and 29 is 2, 9. So, 98 lakh 54,329. Right. The next question is 5 lakh plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 9. See, here the first digit is 5 lakh. How many digits are there in this? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So, totally 6 digits. So, in the answer also we are going to place 6 digits, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. See, 5 lakh is given here. So, straight to the lakhs place we are going to place what? 5. And then 10,000s place. Here the next number is 7,000. 7,000 have 3 zeros now. This is which is in the thousands place we are going to place 7. Straight to thousands place we are going to place 7. So, here 10,000. So, 10,000 in the sense in between lakhs and thousands 10,000 places not given here now. We are going to place 0 in this. So, next to lakhs place a comma. So, next to thousands place a comma. Then after thousands 800 plus 9 is given. 8 is in the hundreds place. So, straight to 100 we can place 8 and next to hundreds place tens place. But here they have given only 9. 9 which is in the ones place. So, straight to ones place we can place 9. In between hundreds place and ones place, tens place is not given in this. So, we are going to write 0 which is 809. So, the answer is 5,07,809, right? Place value and face value. So, face value is nothing but the value of the digit, the number where it is placed. The value of the digit is called face value, and place value is nothing but the place where the number is placed, right? See, here there is an example 25486 is given. In this, for the number 5 we are going to write the face value and place value. See, the face value of 5 is 5. The value of the digit we are going to write for the face value. But place value where the number is placed. See, where the 5 is placed here, ones, tens, 100, 5 is placed in the place of 1,000, right? So, 5 is placed in the place of thousands place. So, the place value of 5 is 5 into 1,000 which gives 5,000. Is it clear? What is the face and place value? Right? Then next we are going to, there is one more example for place value. See, the digits they have given 2586791, and what is the place value of 8? See, the place value of 8 we are going to find here. So, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 8 is in the place of 10,000. So 8 into 10,000. For 10,000 it is 4 zeros. So 8 into 10,000. So 8 into 10,000 is nothing but 80,000. So the same way only they have given. In the 10,000's place 8 is placed. Remaining thousands, hundreds, tens and ones places are placed by 0. So the value is 80,000. So the next we are going to see the what is the face value and place value. Face value is nothing but the value of the digit where the digit is placed, right? But place value is the value of the place where the digit is placed, right? So for example, we are going to see the first question 86432. So here 6 is underlined. What is the face value and place value of this 6 in the sense? Face value I told you the value of the digit, right? So here the face value is nothing but 6. But the place value place value is 6 into, see where the 6 is placed here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 6 is in the place of 1000, so I am going to multiply with 1000. So 6 into 1000 gives 6000. So first we can make 3 zeros and 1 6 are, what is 1 6 are Deepak? So 1 6 are 6, very good. So the place value is 6000 and the face value is 6. Now I will give you one more question and you can answer now. 9473256. See here 4 is underlined. Tell me what is the face value of 4? Darshini? Yes, the face value of 4 is 4 because the value of the digit is whatever it may be. The value of the digit is 4. And then we are going to write the place value. So here the place value is 4 into. So where the place 4 is placed? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Yes. So we are going to multiply this 4 with lakh. How many zeros for lakhs? Deepak? Yes, 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So we are going to multiply this. First we will place 5 zeros as it is. And then 1 4s are 4. So which is 4 lakh. So the face value is 4 and the place value is 4 lakh. Is it clear? What is face value and place value? Successor and predecessor. Successor is nothing but the given number plus 1. That is the next number we are going to write. See, 99 is the question. What is the successor of 99? Given number plus 1 we are going to add. So 99 plus 1 which gives 100. So the successor of 99 is 100. Then what is predecessor? Predecessor is nothing but given number minus 1. The before number we are going to write. That is, what is the before number of 10? 9. For smallest numbers we can say the previous numbers easily. If it is 4 digit or 5 digit numbers, we want to subtract 1 from the given number, right? So 10, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So the predecessor of 10 is 9. What is successor and predecessor? Successor is nothing but we have learned in our previous sessions like before number and after number, right? The same thing we are going to do in the successor also. Successor is nothing but the given number plus 1. We are going to add one number with this successor, right? So first the question, if I am going to take an example of 899. What will be the successor of 899? So here I am going to add 1 with this 899 plus 1. Yes, Vignesh, tell me how to add 899 plus 1. See, 899 plus 1. Add this number 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1? 10, right? 0 and 1. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. 0, again 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So what is the answer? 900. So the successor of 899 is 900, right? So let me make the one more question like 999. So what is the successor of 999? So the same thing, we are going to add 1 with this number, right? So 999 plus 1. Add this number 999 plus 1. Yes, Vignesh, tell me 9 plus 1, 10. 0, carry on 1. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. Dinesh, 0, again carry 1. Dinesh, tell me what is 9 plus 1? 10. So 10. So what is the answer here? 1000. So the answer is 1000. Is it clear? So the successor of 999 is 1000. The next we are going to see the predecessor. So what is the meaning of this in the sense? We are going to subtract 1 from the given number. Okay. So the first thing is 99. What is the predecessor of 99? I am going to subtract this 99 minus 1. So subtract this 99 minus 1. So first we will take 99, subtract 1 from this 9 minus 1. What is 9 minus 1? Yes, Divya, 9 minus 1 is 8 and we are going to take 9. So the answer is 98. Very good. So the predecessor of 99 is 98. One more example we are going to see is 700. What is the predecessor of 700? So we are going to subtract 1 now. So 700 minus 1. Subtract this 700. Subtract 1 from this. Write 1 straight to the ones place of the number, right? So can we subtract 0 minus 1? No, it is not possible. So we are going to get borrow from this hundreds place value, which is 7. 7 will become as 6 and this tens place value will become as 10. And from this 10 again I am going to get borrow, which will become as 9 and this ones place 0 will become as 10, right? So 10 minus 1. Dinesh, what is 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1 is 9 and the next number also 9 and the next number is 6. So the answer is 699. So the predecessor of 700 is 699. Is it clear to you? Successor is nothing but given number plus 1. Predecessor is nothing but the given number minus 1. So next, till up to this, so far we have seen using Indian system and how to use international system place value chart in how to read the numbers and to write the numerical values. See the place value chart here, the periods they have given ones period, thousands period, millions and billions. Next to billions it is trillions. So in international system each period are divided into 3 digits. First the ones period is divided into 3 digits, which is ones, tens and hundreds. Then place a comma. When thousands period starts, in this thousands periods also 3 digit numbers are there, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And then again place a comma. When millions starts, in millions period also 3 digits are there, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Next to millions place a comma. Then billions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. So this the place value chart is given. Next to billions, trillions place. In trillions place also 3 digits are there. So place a comma here. So next trillion and then 10 trillions and then 100 trillions. Next to this billions, trillions places are there. So we are using this international system by placing commas like this. For example, there is a number they have given 85026,139. How to read this number in international system place values are, here 9 is in the ones, tens, 100. I told you to place the comma in the thousands place, right? In thousands periods how many digits should be there? 3 digits now. So in thousands place 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Next to 100,000 place a comma and millions period. Millions period is millions and 10 millions is given. How we will read this 85? 85 as 85. So 85 this 85 is placed in the period of millions. So we are going to write 85 millions, and then 0 to 6. How you will write this 0 to 6? 0 to 6 as 26, which is placed in the place of thousands period. So 85 millions, 26,000 and 139. How we will write 139? 3-digit number. Like 1 is placed in the hundreds place. So 139. So we can read this number using international system like 85 millions, 26,139. Right? So like this, by you placing the commas, we can write the numbers in words as well as in the numerical number. Now next we are going to see how to write in words using international system. See, in international system also, first we are going to place commas in the respective places. The first right side from the number, or the first 3 digits we are going to take as ones period. The next 3 digits are thousands period. The next 3 digits are called millions periods. So first we are going to place commas from ones, tens, 100, place a comma, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, and then place a comma, then million, 10 million. So this is ones period, and this is thousands period, and this is millions period, right? So here 86, how usually we will read 86? 86 as 86 millions. 86 millions. And 432, how we will read 432? 432 as 432, which is placed in the place value of 1000. So 432 as 32. So which is in the place of 1000. So we are going to write 432,000. Next 501. So 501 we will read as 501. So 501. Is it clear? How to make a words in international system is 86,432,501. So for the next number, tell me where to place the commas first. Yes, Darshini. Now where I want to place the comma first? After how many digits? Yes, after 3 digits we are going to place the comma. So first place is ones, tens, 100. Next to hundreds place the comma. Then 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So these 3 periods are in the thousands periods. Then place a comma. Next to thousands, this is millions period. So 9 is placed in the millions period. So we are going to write 9 millions. And 320 are in the periods of thousand. So we are going to read 320 as 320,000. So write in words 320,000. And the last is 456. 456 we will read as 456. So 456. So we can write in words like this: 9 millions and 320,456. Is it clear? So here they are given in words. How to make these words into write in the numerical values, right? So 7,465,312 is the question. So first in the millions place, the value which is given is 7. So first I am going to write 7. After millions place we are going to place comma na. The next 465,000. So 465. How we will write 465? 465,000. So thousands place have completed with 3 digits now. Place a comma. And 312. So hundreds place is 3 and 12. 1, 2 is 12. So 7 comma 465 comma 312 is called 7,465,312. Right. See the next question. 91,587,041. Yes. Dinesh, tell me 91 million. What number I want to write here? 91. Yes. Millions period is completed now. Yes. We want to put a comma. Next. 587,000. So 587,000. How we will write, Darshini? 587. So 587,000. Thousands value are completed. So place a comma. Very good. Next 41. So 41 is in the place of ones and tens. And where is hundreds place? Hundreds place is not given. So we are going to place 0 in the hundreds place, and 41 is 41. So we can write this number as 91,587,041 like 91,587,041. Next we are going to compare the Indian system place value with international system place value, and we are going to find the values of this both, right? See, in Indian system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Next to 10 crore, there will be 100 crore, thousands crores. For 100 crore, it is called as 1 Arab, and for thousands crores, it will be 10 Arab. But next to international system, the place value starts from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and million, 10 million, 100 million. Next to millions, it will be billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. Now, how to compare this both the values? For example, if I am going to ask 1 lakh is equal to dash thousand. So, how many thousands are there in 1 lakh? So, this is a question. How to find in the sense? See, here in Indian system lakh is there. Straight to lakh in international system. How many thousands are there? 100 thousands. So, how many thousands are there in 1 lakh? So, 100 thousands are in 1 lakh. In 10 million, in 10 millions is equal to dash crore. How many crore? How many crore is equal to 10 millions? See in this chart. So, 1 crore equal to 10 million. So, 10 million is equal to 1 crore. For 10 million, there are 1 crore is called 10 millions. So, how many thousands are there in 1 lakh in the sense 100 thousands, and for 10 millions 1 crore. 10 crores. 10 crores is equal to how many millions? 10 crore. In 10 crore, 100 millions are there. Yes, Vignesh, tell me 1 million equal to 1 million is equal to dash lakh. How many lakhs are there in 1 million, Vignesh? In 1 million, how many lakhs are there? See the chart. So, straight to 1 million, how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. Yes, very good. So, 10 lakhs are there in 1 million. So, we have seen Indian system and international system. How to write in words and numerals, expanded form, short forms, and how to compare this Indian system and international system in this session. Thank you.
ஆசிரியராகிய நான் காலத்தை அனுபவந்து உணர்வுடன் செய்வன திருந்து செய்து சிறந்த ஆசிரியராக திகழ்வேன். அக மற்றும் புறத்தூய்மை கடைபிடித்து உடல் மண்டலம்